Supply chain planning helps you drive operational excellence and maximize profitability with collaborative planning for the enterprise that provides you with demand-driven sales forecasting and results in more effective inventory planning and resource optimization. Plex Supply Chain Planning delivers a multi-facility, multi-channel, cross-functional planning solution for your enterprise. Plex helps you manage your business against demand volatility by delivering robust, demand-driven sales forecasting that forms the baseline for your operations. And Plex allows you to enhance your forecast with inventory planning and resource optimization for service-level objectives, supplier lead times, and inventory safety stock models. You can replace static spreadsheets as your go-to tool for planning and data management. Even though your planning cycle may start with Excel, going forward, Plex replaces it as your supply chain planning tool. Since staying on top of demand is critical, demand planning in Plex starts with historical sales and current orders. This leverages a multitude of forecasting algorithms at customer, product category, and item levels. Let's look at the underlying numbers in the demand plan. Scrolling down, you can see the historical and projected demand in units, average selling price, and revenue projections. You can make edits to quantity, price, cost values, and even perform what-if analysis. You can further shape the demand forecast with the 4P functionality to work with pricing, promotions, placement, and product lifecycle decisions. The updated demand forecast is reflected across all departments and levels of your organization, so everyone sees a single version of the truth. Once your demand plan is updated, Plex gives you the option to either adopt a level strategy for production or a chase strategy when computing the supply plan, so you can better respond to demand fluctuations. In this case, the company is following the level strategy. To ensure the supply chain plan is feasible, you can test it against your production capacity. You can see that Work Center Form 1 is over capacity on December 9th. Decisions can be made quickly to increase capacity or to move the workload to a day that is underutilized. With the push of a button, you can approve the plan and ensure that each of your plants is operating on an approved master production schedule, which then drives jobs and purchases in Plex. Once your supply chain plan is approved, you can then execute your day-to-day operations. Plex allows you to review the daily requirements plan with exception messaging to drive your production, purchasing, and distribution activities. But the most important aspect of planning with Plex is that supply chain planning doesn't happen in a vacuum. As purchase orders get fulfilled and production jobs executed, the system accommodates fluctuations in both demand and supply, giving you continuous feedback. That way, supply chain planning is never static as it is with a spreadsheet. Plex fulfills your cloud-based supply chain planning for the enterprise by delivering demand-driven sales forecasting to manage your business against market volatility. And Plex enhances the accuracy of your forecast with supply-side inventory planning and resource optimization. To learn more or see a more detailed demonstration, please contact Plex at 855-534-8012 or online at plex.com/contact.